Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So you know that I'm doing the 14-week home organization challenge hosted by Tony Hammersley of A Bowl Full of Lemons. And I had originally not planned to purchase any items. I'm working in my kitchen this week. I've already finished all the cabinets, all the bottom cabinets, drawers, countertops, all of that. Now I'm working in my fridge and my freezer, and I'm getting ready to start the pantry soon. So I had a doctor's appointment, which was about 45 minutes from my house. My normal doctor and the other office that's closest to my house, the pipes froze. And so those offices were not able to open. So I had to drive about 45 minutes to get to their other office. I get there and there's no parking. So with no parking, I had to park across the street and then walk back over. And I parked right in front of a Dollar Tree. I didn't even realize it till I got out of the car. I was like, oh, okay, I know where I am now, because I really didn't know where I was going to just follow my GPS. But while I had not planned on picking up anything, I saw a few things that I feel like would help me just around the house. So let me show you really quickly what I was able to get. So of course I got 2 of these storage baskets. We use these in the pantry to do water, and I need one in the fridge to store more water. So I picked up 2 of these baskets in the red because that's what the color in our kitchen. Then I picked up 2 of these more shallow baskets, but they are more square. We have a couple baskets in the fridge, but they have kind of like the rimmed sides, and they're a little bit more open. These are closed, so it's either going in the fridge or the pantry, one of the two, but I thought those would be helpful, so I picked up 2 of those. Then you know, I use the Swiffer and I have the wet pads, and they're pretty expensive, so they had 10 for $1. I picked those up. I picked up a 10-pack of vinyl gloves. I didn't get latex just in case there's some type of latex allergy that we didn't know about. Just things for cleaning and dishes and picking up after the pup or whatever we need to do. But then I got these disposable gloves, and there's 100 of these in here. And sometimes doing things like hamburger, I don't like the way that feels on my hand, so I could use gloves for food prep and different things like that. I was cleaning out my refrigerator today, and I used just some of the Clorox wipes and realized that there was like just some stains that I probably could have used Magic Erase for, but because I didn't have any fresh ones, I didn't want to put those in my fridge. So I actually picked up 3 of these Scrub Buddies. These are like the Dollar Tree version of Magic Erasers, and I'm just going to keep these specifically for the refrigerator or the kitchen. Picked up some of these aluminum. These are the aluminum sheets. I like these just for putting things in the freezer. Sometimes it saves from using up all of my aluminum foil. Then I picked up a couple more lint rollers. As much as we roll this house and vacuum, there's still greasy remnants everywhere. So I'm going to throw one of these in the car so that we'll have one just in case. And then, you know, we always need them in the house. I try to keep them handy. I picked up this little scrubber. I'm going to add in some dish soap and a little bit of Dawn. I'm going to use this, you know, Dollar Tree dish soap with a little bit of Dawn to keep in the kitchen to scrub out the sink. And I also have 2 of these that I bought from Walmart for way more expensive that I keep in the bathrooms to do the tub. I picked up this little scrubber here just for dishes, and then here's a different shaped one just for dishes as well. And I'm actually going to put these in a little jar underneath the kitchen sink so they're not visible. I picked up some Italian seasoning that I did not have, and then I saw somebody haul these. I can't remember who it was, but these are the storage bins for your veggies or your fruit. And sometimes we are, you know, victims of our fruit going bad. So I'm thinking once I bring my fruit home, I'm just going to put them in these containers and see if they stay fresher longer. I'm doing groceries on Wednesday this week. I'm actually going back to work tomorrow for the first time in over 5 weeks. The doctor has released me So I'm doing groceries on Wednesday, and we're going to see how these work. So I got 2 of those. Picked up Grace a couple pooper scoop bags just because we need those. We are responsible pet owners, and we scoop our poop. My kids need to learn how to do cursive, so I picked up 2 of these. One for Alana and one for Jackson, and they won't have to share. And then what I'll do is I'm going to put these in sheet protectors, and then they can practice and then just erase off with a wet paper towel. Then I'm getting ready to do a collab video with another friend of mine here on YouTube to make my dinner menu board. And so I was looking for just some clips that I could use, and they didn't have the ones I was looking for. So I picked up these push pins. They have Monday, Tuesday, days of the week. And then here's another for a board I want to do just for projects and things around the house. I am a visual person, and unless I write it down, I'm going to forget it. So what I'm going to do is I think I have another cork board that I'm going to just try to find a way to mount it inside of one of the doors of the armoire of my office. And then that way I'll be able to just post my little, I'm going to make some little cards, and I'll be able to post whether it's a project, something I need to do, a video, or just make myself a little note. And then I thought those would be pretty cute. So they were 12 of those for $1. And then my major project that I'm getting ready to undertake is Alana. Little ma'am has been going to the hair shop, and I take her about every 4 to 6 weeks and just let the beautician wash her hair and then flat iron it. But I'm noticing that there is some, what I would feel is a little bit of heat damage, and then she doesn't keep it up well here at home. And I probably should be doing that. So we're going back to doing protective styles on her hair. And so I've been following just some natural hair YouTube channels. And so I picked up a couple of clips. I picked up some rubber bands for flat twists. And I'm going to be doing her hair actually this evening and just letting it get back to that healthy state. She has very, very long hair. Her hair is down to almost her bottom, and I want to keep it nice and healthy. So we're just going to go back to the natural for her. I'm not team natural for any reason, and I'm okay with that. But for right now, and it's no reason why her hair should be down. We have belt testing next week, then we have the belt ceremony. So it's winter time. We can just put it up and no problem. Come back to summer if we need to do it, or a special occasion, I'll let her go to the hair shop. But she has a lot of hair, so I just picked up these were 500 rubber bands. And then I was watching a lady named Lady Justice. And in order so that these don't take out your hair, she actually soaks hers in oil before she uses them. So I'm going to try that method as well. And then these are just to separate the hair, because Alana has a lot of hair. A lot of hair. Shamika's got a lot of hair, but Alana has a lot of hair. So anyway, that's just my quick Dollar Tree haul. We are going to finish our kitchen project. But I just wanted to share with you some of the things we might be using, and then a couple of cleaning things that we got, or just some random stuff we needed for the house. So anyway, if you like this video, be sure and give us a thumbs up. It just says, hey, we like your video. If you're new around here, hit the red subscribe button. We'd love to keep you as a part of our YouTube community. Also hit the little bell. That way you never miss an upload from us. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel, and we'll see you next time we shop. Bye.